Welcome back, guys. This is Jason, KM4ACK. I thought we'd take a break from the tutorials today since Winter Field Day is coming up tomorrow, and take a look at the loadout that I'm planning on using tomorrow for Winter Field Day. What you see in front of you is the entire kit in this one bag. It weighs in right around 21 pounds and contains every single item that I'm going to need. Let's dive in and take a look, see what we've got in the bag. All right, first up on the list is the iPad mini, and we use it to interface with our Raspberry Pi. So it's a monitor, it can be the keyboard, it will be the mouse for Winter Field Day. But we can do everything we need to do with the Pi right here with a wireless connection to the iPad. Next up, we've got the radio. It's the Yaesu 857D, along with a signal link, and of course the Raspberry Pi. Attached to the back of the Pi is the GPS dongle. May can't see that in the video, but that's pretty much the radio setup. I'm choosing to go without an antenna tuner to keep weight down in the system. Haven't quite decided on the antenna. I'm kind of down to two at this point. One that was purchased commercially and another one that is a homemade end-fed half-wave. We'll see where we end up with that. Now, one of the things I don't normally carry with me is a full-size keyboard. Guys, I've tried those little thumb keyboards. I think they're a waste of money. And on an event like Field Day, where I'm probably going to be doing a lot more keyboard chat, I decided to go ahead and throw in a full-size Bluetooth keyboard. I've got it paired up to the Raspberry Pi so that I can do my typing on this and still use the iPad for my display. That's the one thing that drove up the weight of the whole kit. I was trying to keep it at 20 pounds. This keyboard weighs in right around 1 pound. So if I take this keyboard out, I've hit my target of 20 pounds. Now, my power setup is totally new, and that was one of the places that I've got a huge weight savings over the old system. If you haven't seen the old solar generator, I'll leave a link to that right up at the top. That battery pack weighed in at about 35 pounds, just the battery pack. I've since gone to the lithium iron phosphate battery. It's a 10 amp hour. Unlike SLAs, you get about 90% out of it, so I've got about 9 amp hours of power inside this super lightweight battery. I've got the Genasun charge controller on the front of it, and then I just use some plastic shrink wrap to kind of keep it into one package with the plugs on the other side of it. To go along with that, I went ahead and invested in one of the power film panels. It's only a 30 watt, but I thought that was a good place to start since I didn't have any experience with the power film panels. Everybody that I talked to that has them seems to really enjoy them, so we hope to get it out tomorrow and give it a good first day in the field. I'll probably go ahead and throw my 50 watt old school panel in the vehicle just in case, but we do want to try with just the power film. All right, nothing too exciting here. This bag just has various connectors and the power supply for the Raspberry Pi. Any type of power connector that I need. It's got the cable for the solar panel in it. Any type of connector I need is in that one bag there. So nothing super exciting in that one. Last but not least is the antenna system. This one here is a 49-to-1 transformer. It's an end-fed half-wave, and then the wire that goes with that is on this spool. Now, this is one that I've built. I like it. It works really well. I can work with it without a tuner, but I haven't gotten a ton of time with this, deploying it in different configurations and things like that. So I'm still a little bit leery of this one. I'll probably take my TN07 Engineering end-fed half-wave with me as well, just in case I run into any issues with this. All right, guys, well, there you have it. There's a look at the entire setup. It all fits in that one small black bag. Hope you guys get out tomorrow and enjoy Winter Field Day. And until next time, 7-3.